Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jollibee-style spaghetti sauce. First, gather your key ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground beef, a few hot dogs, and the essential banana ketchup. Also, have on hand tomato paste, tomato sauce, and some sugar for that signature sweetness. Don't forget garlic, onion, and bell peppers to build a flavorful aromatic base for your delicious sauce. Begin by browning 1 pound of ground beef in a large pot or skillet until it's fully cooked and crumbled. Drain any excess fat. Next, add your minced garlic and chopped onions to the same pot, sautéing them until they become fragrant and softened. Finally, stir in your sliced hot dogs and bell peppers, cooking them for about 5 minutes to slightly soften. Now it's time to build the sauce. Stir in the tomato paste, tomato sauce, and 1 cup of water or broth. This forms the base. Then, incorporate 1/2 cup of banana ketchup and 2 tablespoons of sugar to achieve that distinct sweet and savory profile. Finish by seasoning with salt and black pepper to taste, adjusting as needed for perfect balance. Allow the sauce to simmer gently for at least 20 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors meld together beautifully. This slow simmer is key to developing the rich taste. Once ready, serve your delicious, sweet, and savory Jollibee-style spaghetti sauce generously over your favorite cooked spaghetti noodles. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.